What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for always tuning in to Rebikit Foods, a channel of easy recipes, delicacies, and African traditional recipes. So, guys, I did some video last time about the tortilla wrap, and I asked you not to buy from the supermarket. It's good at times to make your natural and fresh wraps from your home. So I showed you how to do homemade tortilla wraps. So I promised to give you a video on how to use the tortilla wraps either in breakfast tips and some sandwiches. So today guys, my video is on very delicious sandwich made from tortilla wrap. So guys, keep tuned, watch this video until the end. Please make sure you share and share, and more so, try it on, throw your comment, and if you are amazed by my video, please buy a super pack, throw your super pack. Thanks, and let's go to here. I'm going to use this chicken sandwich, and I have pepper, I have onions, I have coriander, and these are the tortilla wraps that I just made the other days. These ones are just fresh. I made them in the morning, but for last time I showed you how to make them. And for the spices I'm going to use, I just used turmeric, I have tomato paste, and I'm going to have dress it with tomato ketchup. So guys, it's gonna be lit. So watch this video until the end. So guys, once I've cut them in stripe, I'm going to season it with salt and turmeric only. So guys, just watch this video until the end. You'll see how this sandwich is gonna be. So next, I will cut my onions. And if you're making a sandwich, make sure you cut your onions in stripe as well. So please, whoever is watching this video, just comment there and tell me what you think about this. I'm going to lit my pan from here and fry these onions, so keep tuned. With my onions, with my oil. So guys, since we are going to use it for sandwich, we don't need too much oil. We're just putting little oil so that we can blanch this everything. So keep tuned. Oil is done. So what I'm going to do is just to add these onions. So as the onions are cooking, I'll go ahead and continue with the pepper. so that they taste well. So we let them go. Next, guys, I have 3 cloves here, so I'm going to put them in. So I'll give it a good mix. Now then from here, now I'm going to add the peppers. I'll let the peppers cook well, and then now I'm going to add the tomato paste. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and then give it a mix. So make sure the peppers get blanched so well. So I'll give it a moment just to cook, and as they're cooking, I'm going to cut off my corianders. Next, I will add my coriander to the mix, and now from here now you can use any spice of your choice. You can use any spice of your choice. So if you have some chicken kind of seasoning, you can season it with chicken, since we are doing chicken breast, but we'll let it a bit. So guys, from here now I'm going to add in my chicken breast. The chicken breast that I just seasoned, so I'm going to add it in here. Just a little water, and then I'll just cover it now and let it cook for some time. And give it time to cook a bit, just for 5 minutes. Back to my beef, guys. It still has some water, which is just okay, but remember it's a sandwich, so it has to be dry. So by the time this water drains, everything is drained here, it will be ready to eat. So just keep tuned. I'll give it a little bit of time, just about 5 minutes, and then it will be done. Back to my chicken, guys. You can see it has drained. You have to leave at least some little sauce to make it juicy. So what I'm going to do is that I have tomato ketchup here that I'm going to use to do some dressing. I'm going to dress it up with this tomato ketchup. Then it is done and it is ready for serving. So guys, you can see. So this is how my sandwich is. So guys, that's it. So These are my chicken breast, which I'm going to use. This juice is very important. Now this is what I'm going to use to dress my sandwich. So I have my tortilla here. So if it's cold, you have to warm it, guys. And if it's okay, you don't need to warm it. It's already too warm. So you place. Then you fold it like this. So guys, from here now, you can take it back to the pan to make it, to have it heated. So I'll put this aside first. You will see how my tortilla is. So guys, this is how my sandwich is. See how yummy it is. So delicious. Let me just have a bite. So much, guys. So nice. So much nice, guys. I love this. Please try out this recipe. Try out this sandwich. It's very nice. Thank you so much. Please share this video. Watch this video until the end. Try it out and share. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.